In this tutorial, you'll learn the basics to create a very simple visual novel where the character will change from one state to another in a conversation with themselves. Simply put, creating a visual novel consists of three main components: states, text events, and a 2D editor. Let's break it down into a step-by-step process. But first, here's what you'll need for this tutorial. You'll need a background, ideally 1920 by 1080, and a character with 2 or more poses. They should be the same size each. You can use any of our content packs to jumpstart this process. If you don't have one, you can use the tutorial linked in the description. Once you're in the adventure flow, click on the 2D scene at the top left of the scene palette. You'll be navigated to our 2D editor. For now, we just want to add 2 images. Click on the Image button at the top middle of the screen. Click anywhere on the canvas, then select an image you want to use as the background. If you don't have a background image in your asset browser, you can add a background by clicking New and selecting an image from your local machine. As a reminder, the ideal size for the background image is 1920 by 1080. Now click the drop-down on the right labeled Placement. Set the X position and the Y position to 0 to center the image. Rename the image label to Background, then lock it by clicking the padlock on the left. Click the Image button at the top middle again. Select the default pose of the character you want to add. Resize it and place it wherever you want your character to start off in the scene. Rename the image to Character 1. Click the checkbox Show on Logic Engine right below Label. This will ensure that you can change the states of the image during your conversation. Select the plus icon for state. Click Manage States, then New State. Name the new state Angry and check the checkbox to apply that state to the image. Click Save. Expand the drop-down labeled Image. Then click the drop-down in State and select the state labeled Angry. Click on the image and select the second pose of the character in your asset browser. Then click Save and back. Now let's build the conversation. Click Add Text on the left in the Event palette. Then select the text event. Click Override Window Placement to adjust the size of the text box that your conversation will be. Select the pencil icon. Then check the Window checkbox. Click on the right and bottom handles to adjust the sizing. Then click on the center of the box to move it to where you want it to appear on the screen. Double-click on the text event to begin building the conversation. Click Basic Text. Name it Text 1. Then enter what you want your character to say in the main text area. Right-click on Text 1 and select New Basic Text. Name it Text 2 and add more dialogue of what you want your character to say. Click on Text 1 again. Click the gear icon next to the on-tapped logic label. You'll see one logic sentence has already been added. Click Add on the top right. Then click Add New Outcome on the bottom right. Scroll down and select Scene Modules, then click Character 1, Image State, States, Angry. If you don't see Character 1 in Scene Modules, then you likely haven't checked the checkbox for Show in Logic Engine. Ensure you have that checked, otherwise it won't show up. Click Save, then drag the new logic sentence you just created to the top, then click Save again. Let's check it out and see what happens. Press play at the top center of the screen. Congratulations, you just made your very first small visual novel. In the following videos, we're going to build out this visual novel to make it more complex and dynamic, such as moving from scenes, adding additional characters, and choices. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Happy forging, everyone!